Hi, this is Matt from VistaTrac again. Thanks for checking out this video on QuickBooks sales order integration with VistaTrac. The sales order integration works extremely well. It's very easy to use. It's a great way to add traceability, lot tracking, and real-time inventory to your business without having to invest in a large ERP system. So we're going to use QuickBooks for sales orders and invoicing, and VistaTrac for packing against that order. We can pack directly to an order, or we can ship out of our inventory to that sales order. So first we'll start by doing an estimate in QuickBooks Online. Typically, we interface with estimates for QuickBooks Online and sales orders or invoices for QuickBooks Desktop. So here I have my VistaTrac dashboard. You can see I got one sales order in here from yesterday. I don't have any in for today. This is just a demo system here. I do have 4 purchase orders for today that I've already received and closed. But let's go ahead and put an estimate in so we can see some sales orders. So I'm going to hop over to QuickBooks here. I got my create estimate shortcut right here. So let's create a couple estimates. So I'm going to pick one of my test customers here, and I'm going to add some items here. So let's do our strip steak item, and we are going to order 20 cases of this. So my price here is actually the price I'm going to charge per pound, but I want to put the number of cases that are ordered here. So we're going to do some of this item, and we'll do 30 cases of this item, and we'll say that this is going to be $12 a pound. Okay. All right. So now we've got 2 items in here, 20 cases of this, 30 cases of that. I'm going to go ahead and save this. Okay. And we'll do a second one here. I'm going to create another estimate. We'll go ahead and save this one. And then let's do one more. And what I'm going to do on this one, just to show you how this works, is I'll pick this strip steak item again, but we can support special instructions. So this is more like for my food service guys out there. You deal with a lot of special instructions. Maybe that's, cryovac, 2 per pack, or maybe it's, 1.5 inch thick or something like that. All right. We'll just do 5 cases of that, and we'll save this. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and close this now and hop over to VistaTrac. Let's refresh our dashboard here. Okay, it looks like we had one of those sales orders come in. The other ones are probably still working their way down here. I think I have it on a 60-second timer there, but let's go ahead and look at that. We're going to go to our shipping today here. We can see we got 1 sales order in there. We've got this sales order integration tab. It tells me here that it's added sales order number 1029. I'm going to manually click my sync button instead of waiting for the rest to come through. And you can see now I added some of those other ones there. So let's go back to our shipping today tab. Here are all 3 orders that I entered. On that one, I did some special instructions. So I just wanted to show you that that does show on the pick ticket. We also support cut slips if you're a cut to order food service operation. Okay, so here's our pick ticket, and you can see that those special instructions came over and they're printing on our pick ticket. So we can give that to our cutters. All right, so first I want to show you pack to order. Pack to order is a huge time saver, especially if you know who you're packing for at the time of cutting that meat and packing those orders. So now we're out on our plant floor station. Typically you would have a packing station at the end of your production line there where you're weighing and labeling boxes and adding them to the order. So in this first example, we're cutting and producing for a specific sales order. So we're going to go to packing to order here. We're going to scan our pick ticket or our cut slip or type in our order number, which is what I'm going to do for this demo. And it shows us what's on our sales order. So right out on our plant floor computer, VistaTrac is showing you what's on your QuickBooks sales orders. That's pretty cool. All right, so we can confirm our pack date, confirm our lot number as today's Julian date, or we can change that if we want. We can also turn those prompts on or off. And then we're going to pick which batch we're doing. So I'm going to pick today's strip and rib batch here. So VistaTrac has full raw materials tracking where you can receive raw materials from your suppliers, scan those into production batches, and then pack your finished goods out of those batches and get full yield reports and traceability. So that's what that's for. So I'm just going to confirm everything now. I make sure I train my workers to confirm everything on this screen before you start packing. Okay, that all looks good. Yes, I'm good to go. Now at this point, I'm just putting boxes on my scale and getting labels out. Very easy process. We set it up so as soon as the box goes on the scale, the weight settles and a label comes out, I'm just going to type in some weights now since I don't have a scale on my computer here. But then typically the labels would come out peeled, so you can just slap them right on the box. Very easy. All right, so I'll do a few more here. 10.5, and it tells me here that I have 20 cases ordered. So as I'm packing these here, I can see this, my order count down as I pack boxes here. So I'm not going to do the whole order. We also support weight ranges and things like that. Okay. For now, I'm just going to do these 4 cases. I'm going to say exit. And then I can do some of these ribeyes. So same thing here, confirm my pack date, confirm my lot number. I'm going to pick my strip rib batch here. Looks good. And now I can start weighing and labeling these. I got 30 cases. I got a 0.24 pound tear here. So I'm just going to do a couple of these. You don't need to see me print labels all day. You get the idea. All right. And this label, it's got my customer name and the order number right on it. And of course, the labels can be customized. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and exit out of here. So I've only done 2 of these, but that's okay. I'm going to say I want to close the order. And now it says you need to enter your supervisor ID. Okay, because it's a short order. Do you want to allow it to be closed? So I'm going to enter my supervisor number and close that. All right, now back in the office here, I'm going to refresh my screen. All right, so right here, I can see that this order has been successfully uploaded back to QuickBooks. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. So that's sales order number 1028. So I'm going to go into my estimates here. I'm going to find sales order number 1028. So now you can see when I edit this order that VistaTrac has overwritten those case quantities with the CATS weights that have shipped out. It's also added a note here, right? Ordered 20 cases, shipped 4 cases, 39.24 total pounds. Ordered 30 cases, shipped 2 cases, 41.02 pounds. So VistaTrac not only puts the weights into your sales order so you can invoice them, it also adds the notes, which is really nice for your customers. In addition, we have the shipping weight manifest in VistaTrac. So I can go ahead and I can convert this to an invoice and off I go. All right, so now let's go back over to VistaTrac here. I mentioned we have that shipping weight manifest. So let's take a look at that. We're going to view our manifest here. So this manifest just shows us every serial number, every weight, and every lot number that's shipped out on this order. So it's very common for my customers to take the shipping weight manifest and their invoice and send that off with the product to the customer. It's a really nice, clean way to do things, and it's very professional looking. All right. Next, we want to do some shipping. Shipping is very easy. So we've got this order for Giant Eagle Pittsburgh. It's 50 cases of beef trim. So again, we can view this pick slip, and we can print out this pick slip. There we go. Here's our pick slip. All right, so you would print this out and scan this with your scanner. Typically, shipping is done with a mobile warehouse style scanner. Now, this is a box in, box out item. I happen to receive this and sometimes use it in production and sometimes ship it box in, box out. So we're just going to go ahead and ship this. And that's a real easy thing to do. All I have to do is go into shipping and then scan or enter the order number. So that was order number 1029. So you would scan that pick ticket there to load that order up. And now it says you have 50 cases. So you can scan 50 cases, or if you have them palletized, you can just scan a pallet label. I happen to have a pallet label here with 11 cases on it. So I'm just going to scan that pallet label. It's going to go ahead and ship 11 out of 50 cases. That's good enough. I'm going to close this order. Again, it's a short order, so I just put in my supervisor code there, confirm that. And now when I go back to the office here, now you can see that this order has also been manifested and it's uploaded successfully. That's sales order 1029. So we can go ahead and look at our shipping weight manifest. All right, it's got each individual case weight that was on that pallet that we scanned and the lot number of every case that went out for traceability. And then if we go back to estimate number 1029 here in QuickBooks and edit this, we can see that instantly VistaTrac has overwritten our ordered quantity with our total weight that was shipped. So we can invoice by the weight. And it tells us here that 50 cases were ordered, but we shipped 11 cases, 561.38 pounds. So that's about it. I hope you found this video informative. I just wanted to show you how easy it was to pack to order and to ship by scanning with VistaTrac and QuickBooks. VistaTrac bridges the gap between the plant floor and the office. It makes sure that you're getting accurate data off of the plant floor in real time and sending that information back to your accounting system, completely destroying all that manual entry that you're currently doing. If you're interested in learning more, I'd love to set up a call with you and do a complete demo of the whole system and show you some of the receiving and batching functionality as well. Thanks.